How to use Hacoo app. Now, Hacoo app is actually a content sharing and shopping community app that encourages users to discover and inspire by sharing their life experiences, products, and lifestyle choices. It actually allows users to share their own good life through photos and videos, which can serve as inspiration for others, while also providing a platform for open connections and trustworthy product reviews. Now, to download it, you simply open up your Google Play Store, and unfortunately, if you're located around Asia, Hacko Discovering and Inspiring is actually not available in your country. So, if you would really like to use the Hacko application, then you need to run some VPN up and running on your device, switch it into a specific country where Hacko is available, and download the application. Now, this is going to be the Hacko homepage. Once you've downloaded it, create an account on Hacko, and it kind of works like similar to Instagram a bit. But Hacko offers sharing inspiration, product and service reviews, community and connection, and shopping as well. Now, just simply post something on your Hacko account by adding a photo or maybe a video in it, and add a brief description about on what you're trying to share. And that's basically it. That is how you use the Hacko app.